Hello everybody, it's the Home Dad. Coming at you with a real quick video. Today we're going to be making some yum yum sauce or shrimp sauce. Both names are correct. What we got here is a roughly 1/3 cup of ketchup. And to that we're going to add in about a cup to a cup and a third of mayonnaise. One more scoop will do it, like so. And to that we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of water. And to the water we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, and 3. Let's move that over here. And then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Like so. 1 tablespoon of paprika. Like that. And we're going to do about a probably a half or probably a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, like so. Half a teaspoon of salt. There we go. I'm going to take this spoon out and make a mess. Try to find a whisk. Can't find one. So the next best thing is a knife. We're going to give this a mix. And once all this is incorporated, we're going to add one more ingredient. And I'll bring you back when this is all mixed up. Alright everybody, we're back. We're going to add in 2 more ingredients. I forgot one. We're going to do a teaspoon of onion powder. And the last, and I think the most important ingredient, is some hot sauce. This is your preference. Most people would put sriracha in this, but my favorite is, I don't know if you can see that, Cholula. That'll do right there. And we're going to get this a good mix. Adds a real nice color to it. And there you go. You got about 1.5 cups of homemade yum yum sauce. Better than what you can buy. Guarantee you that. Hope you all enjoyed this recipe. It's simple, it's delicious. Anybody can do it with what you got in your pantry. Hope you all enjoyed. And God bless. Please subscribe. Thanks everybody.